See, now we will go for the mirror command. So what we want to mirror here is I want to mirror the star. Okay, where all I can mirror it. If I take this object, this mirror, this is the mirror command, mirror object. I just click it. Different options available is displayed here. In vertical lines, that means top. That means this object, it will mirror to its top. Okay, so you just click it. It comes in the top. Now this star, now selected star, if you want to make it right, it's right. If you want to bring it down, bottom, and if you want to make it left, you can make it left. Okay, like that you can use this top, left, bottom and right. Okay, so undo all this thing. Now we have to see the center. What is this center? This is the horizontal center. See, if I click this, there is a center line for this star. To that center line it will be mirrored. So what will happen while mirroring? This portion will go that side and top portion will go down. Like that only happen in horizontal, no? So I am just clicking horizontal center. So what happened? It's mirrored vertically, but the base is horizontal line. Okay, so this one you can see it's the same place it got mirrored, no? So you will see the mirrored, just flipped. Okay, so but if you do it horizontally, now control is set. If you do this one with the vertical line, that means mirroring in horizontal. So horizontally it is mirror. So this is a symmetric thing, so you cannot see that difference, because the mirrored object also will be same only when we do the along this vertical line. So vertical line, along the vertical line, what will be horizontally, it's that is come here in horizontal. So you just click it. So one more object actually created, but it's the same fashion it created because it's symmetric. That's why it's created on the top of it. Okay, control is set. Then next one is the over model. Over model, what happens is this is the model space, you know. So there is a center line for this model. There's a vertical horizontal center line and there is a vertical center line. Okay, so vertical center line or horizontal center line. So now I want to use this one and click the horizontal center line. So what will it will mirror vertically. Okay, from here it is mirror this way. So this is the horizontal center line, it's a vertically mirror. From this here it's mirrored here. If you want to mirror to this side, it will mirror across the model. Okay, this is the across the model. So this center line, one center line will be across that, it will be mirrored. So again, if you want to mirror here, it will come here. You got it? So the reference line will be depend upon this whether it is over model, across model, or center, or left or top. The reference will be accordingly. Okay, in top, the top line will be the reference and you will be flipping to the top. And left, what happened? The leftmost vertical line will be flipped. Okay, like that it will coming. So after this we have to see how if I want to mirror along this selected line. Okay, I have to select this line. For that I have to press the shift command, and this line also, so both will be getting selected. Then if I use this in selected line, then it will be mirrored with this the line. So okay, the equal distance from here, so I'm there. So this way the mirror command can be used. Here some options are there. Copy the original object means the original object will be there, so it will not be deleted. Okay, and there is one more is join the mirrored vectors. If these two you want to join together, if it is touching each other, or if you like that, it can be joined together. Like, okay, control is set. So if you click it and use the join together command and using this one, so First select an open group contour to act as a mirror. Okay, I had to select this thing also. That's the wrong thing. Now I then only I can use this command. Okay, wrong things. So this is fine now. So you see this is not connected. Now joined mirrored vectors, because it's all it's not touching each other. Okay, control is set. We will try some other. Okay, this will be touching top. So this is touching each other. Now this is joint, not joint. Okay, this is also not joint. Join mirror vectors. So okay, I got it. It may be because it's a closed vector, maybe because of this thing only it is not working. So you can use like this vector. Okay, for this vector, if you want to mirror it, you can. Now this is left side, I want to make a right side also mirror and join the mirrors. Okay, so this is left side I made. Okay, no problem. I can make the right side also. Right side, I have to select the object, sorry, right. So what happened, this both are got joined. Okay, so it's worked with the open vectors, not closed vectors. Okay, once again you want to try whether it